Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your photos on just your iPhone. So go to your camera roll and select the edit button here. Go to the exposure and you're going to do +10. It doesn't have to be precise. For brilliance, I'm going to do around 50 here. For highlights, which is this one, I'm going to do -20. We're going to skip shadows and we're going to straight to contrast. Do -30. For brightness, we're going to skip that. For black point, I'm going to do -5. Skipping saturation, let's go to vibrance here and we're going to do +10. Okay. Then go to warmth and do -5. And then for tint, you're just going to select 10, +10. And that is it. You can add in a filter as well, I think, like here. And add in the vivid one. There we go. That's how you can edit your photos in your iPhone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.